Okay. What would you want to tell the current generation who's planning to pursue their master's or maybe bachelor's degrees in pharmacy outside there in United States or any country abroad for the Indian students? Do you have some message? What should they look for or how should they do their preparation?
Yeah, I would say that when I look back at my career, right, yes, there are different reasons or different drivers why maybe somebody wants to pursue an education abroad. For I think for me, the biggest challenge was, just studying about the regulations and having access to the people. So because I wanted to study that, now I could have studied some of it in India as well, but at the time when I was applying, those programs were not available, in India, or they were very competitive. So
Okay.
that's why I chose to come to US. But I would say that more and more, uh, the programs and the knowledge is becoming easily available, where you have, the graduate and undergraduate students today have way more options than I did, in 2007.
Right.
So that's easy. It's a little bit easier because you have more options, but it's also challenging because then you don't know what to choose, right? uh,
Right.
so I would say, like, before you choose any program, or whether you choose to study in UK, US, or India, uh, there are pros and cons to everything, right? So if you like to be around your family, or you have a big social circle, or if you have people in your family that are not doing, they have some medical history, or you need to be close to them, there could be number of reasons, right? I'm just throwing some out there. Then maybe you don't have the luxury to go abroad, right?
Right.
But if you have, or financial commitments, what have you, right? Not everybody has the same luxury. So I would say consider all those factors, because there's a lot of pros and cons. But at the end of the day, you have to know, those within pharmacy, what are the two or three areas that you really love, working and studying. Like, nobody has to tell you, like, hey, study this. It's just your genuine curiosity is more on, learning those areas. And for me, it was regulations, it was technology. So once you start figuring that out, then you can start looking at the right programs and the right institutions or colleges, that have those, and apply for those. Because, like I said, I learned it the hard way. I came for industrial pharmacy, and I 6 months later quit and moved to a different program, because that's when I figured out that wasn't the right fit for me.